Hello everyone! Today, we're taking you with us to one of the most famous landmarks in the world, the Eiffel Tower. But instead of taking the elevator all the way up, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to climb the Eiffel Tower on foot, starting from the ground and making our way up to the second floor. So come along with us as we take in the views, experience the climb, and discover a little bit about the incredible history behind this Paris icon. When we first arrived, we stood underneath the Eiffel Tower, and honestly, it was even more impressive in person. We looked up and could see all the ironwork above us. The tower just seemed to keep going and going. It was hard to believe that this incredible structure had been built back in the late 1800s. The Eiffel Tower was designed by Gustave Eiffel and his team for the 1889 World's Fair in Paris. One thing we found really interesting was that the tower was actually supposed to be temporary. It was originally planned to stand for only about 20 years, but people love it, and over time it became such an important part of Paris, and it stayed. We purchased our tickets online, and initially we planned to go to the summit, but it was already fully booked on the time that we want to go there. So just a heads up guys, book your tickets in advance to secure your spots. If you're planning to go to the first floor only, you'll have to take the stairs because the elevator doesn't stop on the first floor, only on the second floor and the summit. So this is the beginning of our climb, and there are 674 steps from the ground floor to the second floor. And this is pretty amazing, guys. The tower was assembled from more than 18,000 individual iron pieces and around 2.5 million rivets. So when you look at the tower, you're not looking at one giant piece of metal. You're looking at thousands upon thousands of carefully engineered pieces that were fitted together like an enormous puzzle. Once you're inside this structure, you can really appreciate the engineering. You can see the iron beams crossing above and around you. And of course, we have to stop every now and then to catch our breath. One of the fun things about climbing instead of taking the elevator is that you get to experience the tower at a much slower pace. So you're not just going from point A to point B. You're actually watching Paris gradually appear beneath you. The Eiffel Tower was considered as an extraordinary achievement when it was completed in 1889. At that time, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world, standing about 300 meters tall. How was it?
Still on second floor.
Yeah, we are just on the first floor. Are you still okay? You can stay here. And we've made it to the first floor. This is a great place to take a break, look around, and enjoy the views. So from here, Paris starts to open up in every direction. Depending on where you're looking, you can spot some of the city's famous landmarks, like the Montparnasse, the Seine River, and the beautiful Parisian streets and rooftops. So there's also plenty to explore here. The first floor has a viewing areas, places to sit and relax, and attractions where you can learn more about the tower. There's also a nice souvenir shop and also a restaurant and lounge where you can buy your drinks and some snacks. And if you're brave enough, there are even sections where you can look down through the glass floor. Standing this high above the ground and looking straight down is definitely an experience. But we're not stopping here. We've still got one more level to climb. At this point, we were thinking if we're going to continue to the second floor because we're really tired. But since we paid for it and we're here already, it's just once in a lifetime experience, so we continued. So back to the stairs, guys. The climb continues and now we're heading toward the second floor. You might think the view can't get much better, but it does. We are now at 5:40. With every flight of stairs, the buildings below seem to shrink and the Paris skyline becomes more and more impressive. This is also where you really notice the incredible design of the Eiffel Tower. The tower shape isn't just for appearance. Its curved profile and open iron framework were carefully designed to help it withstand the forces of wind. That's the first floor a while ago. We're so far now. Oh my. At this point, we're already getting higher and looking back down gives us a completely different perspective. So you can see the people below getting smaller and smaller and the streets of Paris beginning to stretch out around us. Oh my God, finally, we're here. We were there on that building, the Mont La Parnasse, something like that. And then this afternoon we were there and then we walked to the Notre Dame. We crossed the bridge there. We went to the Museum Louvre, and then we walked all the way over here. And then we crossed the bridge, the most beautiful bridge here. And then we walk all the way in here. This is the point where you really want to stop and take everything in. Paris is spread out below us and the view is incredible. It's amazing, guys. It's so hard for me to describe. And from the second floor, you can also see the famous landmarks throughout the city, including the Seine River winding through Paris. And one of the best parts is that you can look in every direction and see something completely different. There's the historic heart of Paris, the rooftops, the avenues, and the parks. There's also plenty to see and do on the second floor. You'll find the viewing areas where you can take in the panoramic views, places to grab something to eat or drink, souvenir shops, and displays that give you more information about the Eiffel Tower. And of course, there are plenty of opportunities for your photos. This is definitely one of the places where you'll want to have your camera ready. But beyond the pictures, I think the best part is simply standing there and realizing where you are. So that was the climb up the Eiffel Tower from the ground all the way to the second floor. It was definitely a workout, but the experience was worth every step. What makes the Eiffel Tower so special isn't just the height or the incredible views. It's the story behind it, the engineering, the people who built it, and the fact that something that was originally intended to be temporary became one of the world's most famous landmarks. So guys, if you're ever visiting Paris, climbing the Eiffel Tower is definitely something we would recommend. It is a must-do. Thanks for joining us on our adventure, and if you enjoyed coming along with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for our next adventure. Until next time, au revoir from Paris.